Tip compensation ensures that holes are drilled to the correct depth. I'll select the Tip Compensation tab, enable the checkbox for tip compensation. The depth of drilled hole is not measured from the drill tip, but from the intersection of the drill edge and the tip. Because of this, the tip must be compensated for so that the correct depth will be drilled. In the case of a hole that goes through the part, all of the drilling tip must pass through the part. The tip compensation will ensure the correct drilling depth is reached. Since I'm using a standard jobber length drill, the included angle of the tip is 118 degrees. As you can see, Mastercam calculates the length of the tip for me. This value will be added to the drilling depth of -3/4. I also want the edge of the drill to go below the bottom of the part to ensure the hole is completely through. So I'll leave the default setting of the breakthrough amount set to 0.01, which will be added to the final drilling depth. I'll turn the flood coolant on and accept these settings for the toolpath. Because I copied the toolpath, it will need to be regenerated. After it's regenerated, I'll visually check to see that the cut lines look as though they'll pass through the part. Since they look good, I'll run the verify simulator. I forgot to select both the spot drill and the drilling operation. I don't need to close the simulator to correct this. I'll simply click in the operation window, and while holding the shift key, select the spot drilling operation. Now that both drilling operations are selected, I'll launch the simulator again, and it will update itself. I'll now play the simulation to verify the tool did pass completely through the part. I'll select the stock display option to change the display to transparent. Here I can see it looks like all my holes have gone through their part. To be certain, I'll step the tool backwards once. Then I'll click in the graphics area and select the front view. I'll roll the mouse wheel to zoom in. Now I can clearly see the tool has passed completely through the part. I'll exit the simulator and I'll save my work.